Dear aspirants, have you completed your graduation, be it any graduation, and are you dreaming to become an officer in Army, Navy, or Air Force? In that case, you should be preparing for the Combined Defense Service Examination. Now, this exam is conducted by Union Public Service Commission. Now, the best thing is that this notification will be released on 20th of May. So, the application will be open on 20th of May. Let me share few details with you. So, as I told you, the application will be opening on 20th of May. It will close on 9th of June, and the exam is on 13th of September. Not much time is there, right? Now, how exactly this process happen? So, once you clear this written examination, which I am talking about, the UPSC CDS, you will have option to join any of the following branches. The Officer Training Academy, for those who don't opt mathematics, you will have only two papers, English and General Knowledge. Then, for others, for Indian Military Academy, for Indian Naval Academy, for Air Force Academy, there will be three papers, including maths. So, maths, English, and General Knowledge. Now, how to prepare for this thing? What should be your approach for this? Because see, you get one chance, right? No, you have more chances, but to clear, you need that one chance. To prepare for that one chance, we have launched our most coveted batch. That is the CDS exclusive training program. We will prepare you for this exam. So let this attempt be your last attempt. This will cover the entire syllabus, including the PYQ, strategy analysis. Because if you don't understand how exactly the questions are being asked, how are you going to crack this? Mock test at par with UPSC level mock test, doubt clearing sessions. And on top of that, those students who are going to join our exclusive CDS batch, they will get SSB mentorship free of cost only once you clear the written examination. So if you are part of this batch and if you clear the written examination, then what comes after the written examination? It's the SSB interview. You will get SSB free of cost. So what are you waiting for? If you are serious about the preparation, contact us. We'll share you all the information. Thank you.